So my name is Omar Rampersad. It's Tuesday, January 29, 2019, 8:15 p.m. So I just posted a video while I was eating a few minutes ago. So this is finished dinner. So this is after dinner. So let's see how it compares. So I was being hit on the obliques. Notice the lower readings. It didn't cross 500 yet. I am still being imaged as the readings will show. Oh, they are 600. And that's near near the heart, right here above the heart. So it would seem that the heart is still tagged. I'm guessing. Obliques. Heart. So this is the left side, the right side. And it just went to 1,000, and I just got a pulse of pain in the back. So the readings are significantly lower, and the range is smaller. It's not fluctuating wildly all over the place like it was when I was eating. It seems to go up to 500 and then it goes down to 0. Definitely did not go to 1,000 yet. But in the last video it was up to 1,800. So this is 2 minutes going on 3, and this is how long I did it for the last time. Oh, there's 1,200 right there. Once. And that's the middle of the chest. So it could very well be that my heart is tagged. That's 1,000. And this is on the left side of my body. But again, it's not going above 1,000 as much as it did while I was eating. And let me just hold up a thermometer and take the temperature. So this is not touching my body. It's not touching my top. This is just the air on my body. So right here hurts, and you can see it. It's like an achy muscle feeling, and it went up to 600. temperature went up to 21 to 9. So this is close to my body. So let me just hold this away from my body. That's about 8 inches away. And see what happens. I went up to 22.3. Five minutes, 50 seconds. That's the middle around the middle left. So it's 22.6. So you can see the consistency there. And this is to the left of my body. So the readings right now is higher to the left and right above the chest. And it's 22.7. So it's definitely going up, the temperature, but not as fast as when the readings were over 1,000. So I'm just going to shut it off there. It's 8 minutes, 30 seconds. And the temperature is 22.7.